Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A42, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, obviously let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle. So Do Not Disturb mode, it's going to be something like a moon icon, I assume. Oh, there it is, so it's right here. So once you find it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings where we can actually customize how it works exactly. So at the very top we do have the toggle on off switch, and below that we have turn on as scheduled, which will allow us to set a schedule so it will turn on automatically on a given day of the week at a given time, and you can set as many of them as you want. So you only press on the plus, and from here select days of the week, start and end time, and that's about it. Once you do select it, it will automatically be enabled, so like this. So if you don't want it to be automatically enabled, just disable it. Then below that we have duration, so this is whenever you tap on the toggle through the notifications, so right over here. This will pop up, so we have until, at least the option right now, it's until I turn it off, but we can change it for an hour or ask every time, so that's kind of what I would go with, the last option. And basically once you confirm it and you tap on the toggle, it will bring up this window right here, so until I turn it off, or you can set an hour limit, so you can tap additionally on to add hours if you want to, and from there just tap on turn on and this will turn it on. And then lastly we have notifications, so hide notifications. If you don't want them, you can hide them, and you have hide all, or you can specify which ones you want to hide, and this is only during the Do Not Disturb mode. And then allow exceptions, so we have exceptions for calls and messages. Both of them have the same option, so I'm just going to tap on the calls for now. As you can see, we have all, contacts, favorites, and a no one, and whatever you select here for calls, as you can see we have none, so technically no one should be able to call us. But we also have this option below that, so repeated callers. If you enable this and someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you the second time around, assuming they did fit in that 15-minute period mark. And this is a good option for emergencies. Usually people will spam call you till you pick up, and this will actually allow them to reach you, because otherwise they'll be calling you and you would not even know that they're trying to reach you. Then we also have some kind of notifications for reminders, calendar events, touch sounds, media sounds, alarms, and messages like I mentioned before. So select whichever one you want here to be shown or not shown. And from here, you can go out of this setting and completely forget about going here ever again. Once you set it up once, you don't actually need to go back here, because you can basically toggle it on and off from here. And the only reason you would go into the settings is to just change the schedule option. But that is basically how you'd set it up and enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.